the quality of any. Penentu, the term of quality means the penentu quality. Ni adalah kriteria that yang menentukan is it the quality is a high quality or low quality lah. The first one is the quality of the design. Maksudnya once satu produk, let's say you want to know the criteria for the product, you can look at their quality of the design, okay, the number one, or ease of use, okay, the number two, quality of performance, quality of customer service, quality of organizational structure, quality of process, or any of these determine criteria. Okay, like like a quality of the design. Okay, you can look at the design, their features, edit their. You can, based on the customer feedback, you can include or exclude the existing features. Okay, maybe first time you develop a product and you put many features, but maybe somebody your customers don't like that sound. It's quite annoying, and something like that. And then after you get the feedbacks, and then you take out some features and add a new others features based on the customer feedback. Then one is under the quality of the design. Okay, because of if not quality of the design, it will come up with a poor design, which can result in major service problem, and also the most important is not get a customer approval, but get a customer approval. Okay, so if the major customer approval the design, so means they have a low volume of sale. Okay, then will affect your profit. Okay, that's why one of it is the quality of design. Okay, so some product need to have a good design. Okay, as the main criteria. Okay, the number two is the ease of use. Ease of use. The question is how the customer use the product based on their need. Okay, so one of it macam ni kereta. So last time kita need to push the button and then benda can lift up lah. But currently tak perlu push the button, just put your leg under to the sensor and then automatically this one will lift up. Okay, so this is how ease of use. You add a new features which is different from the others product. They can light down your work. Okay, the ease of the use. So quality, okay, quality things that can attract the customer to buy your products. That's why the innovation won't last. Every day there's a innovation. Okay, and that's why one of the reason why Brigade don't want to be any more founder of the Microsoft, because of their challenge in to come up with new innovation, because every day there's a new innovation. Kita tak larat nak fight for innovation, because all the manufacturer and all the developer want to create a better quality. Okay, in terms of design of ease of use. Okay, so itu berbeza. Day by day will be different innovation. Okay, and then you also can look for the quality of the conformance. Get to which the good also be conform to the intent of the designer. Require customer education awareness as the internet based. Normally people, maybe the product should be a user friendly lah. Currently people like to use a simple and user friendly. If you cannot come up with that kind of product, then you will be a problem. Itu berlaku. That's what happened to the Nokia. Okay, so they don't believe that Android can be Android system can be as the future technology. They don't believe that they don't believe that our personal computer can be also function in the handphone. Okay, because of that, because they believe about quality of the conformance, then they're out of the race to be one of the biggest handphone manufacturer. Okay, to the quality of the conformance. Okay, is require customer education was less lack of customer education awareness is much more better products. Currently people don't like complicated brand. It should be a simple and user friendly. And then the next one is quality of the customer service is for the service quality for the service. So make sure this way after the sale, okay during the push you when you go to the promise. It's the quality of the customer service. And then look for the quality of the organizational structure. Everybody in the one organization is working together, which is assignment influencing quality product or service. Okay, so we have the well managed organization. Then we produce a patient and assignment people that will serve a patient and assignment quality service. Okay, then also the quality of the process. We have PDCA. PDCA is one of the tools. It says tool quality process to come up with the quality service or quality product. You must have a quality. You must have a good or refer to or guideline. Have a guideline, a good quality tools like a PDCA, plan, do, check, and also step by step process or design thinking or blue ocean. Those things is a quality process. Okay, you implement this process, this PDCA design thinking, then there's high possibility we will come up with you a good quality, high quality service or product. But if you want to implement this quality, there will be the high possibility to come up with a low quality products. But because these two have been proved, that had been proved, and there's so many of the testimony lah, come up with a good quality if you implement this quality tools. Okay. All right. The next one is the performance objective for quality. Quality should be being right, mesti betul in the right. Speed should be fast. Okay. This is what the customer need. Okay. To satisfy the customer need. And then dependability, being on time. Okay. Punctual, being on time. Right. And like a shuttle bus, like an aeroplane. Okay. So but Asia is not on time, but the criteria is low fare. Okay. So the ASA they not put their being on temperature as their criteria, but they put their fare as their criteria. Low cost. Okay. As a quality criteria. Okay. And then flexibility, being able to change, open to the new idea. Okay. Like I say, Nokia is not fallibility manufacturer because they're not open to the new idea. Okay, they remain the same. They believe the same idea. Okay, if you need to change, you want to come up with good quality, you always put yourself open to the new idea and also ready to change. Okay, and then the last is with cost. Cost effective. Okay, being productive. You have a good customer. Okay, one day, if you're going to become a contractor, first thing you have to find a good workers, which is have a good productive work yang kerja have a good integrity, efficient. That will save the cost. For example, is one structure need to other company need 4 days to build up that structure. But because you have a very productive and efficient workers, it only takes 2 days. And then the project will complete on time. If more than time, more than the specific time, okay, then it will take more cost. And also yang petrol kamu akan disaman. Okay, that's the thing. Productive can cut the cost. Okay, can be a cost efficient. Okay, cost effective, sorry. All right, now, okay, the concept of the poor quality. Okay, so if you construct a building or infrastructure, but in poor quality, this is the consequence. This part is the consequence. First thing, loss of the business. People won't believe anymore to your company because of your bad reputation. Okay. Then also liability, because of your image, bad reputation image become your liability. Okay. So it's very difficult when you get the bad reputation to the good image. It's not that easy. Okay. It's prevent. Okay. And now our fermentation is worth of a pound of cure. It is very difficult to back. So you has been very difficult to get people trust and again become a good have a good reputation image. Okay, so anything prevention is the best cure of the prevention is better than cure. And then also the productivity. Okay, because of your bad reputation, and then you will get the less customer and your workers they have that motivation. Maybe you cannot pay their salary, and the company become low productivity. And in this one will directly affect to the cost, the cost to run your company. So that's why make sure that better prevent from come up with a poor quality construction, because it can start to give your image bad reputation image to your company. When your company has been labeled, had a uh, bad reputation image, and then you can bounce back, but it's very difficult. Okay, so many example that happen when the company have a bad reputation in construction. Okay, so there's not that not many uh, Class A construction firm in Malaysia. And once you get that bad reputation image, then this might be happen. Lots of business and there's no repeat customer, and then become liability to your company. And then because of that, your company they have motivation and low productivity work, and then it will affect the cost, not only your profit but the capital to run your business. Okay. The other things, this one the consistent to your company as the builder, to be or the construction company, but not the concern is to you, but also to the customer. So because we have to wait another time, okay, to wait more longer time to this project be completed. Okay, so they waste the customer time. And also maybe because of poor quality, and then the collapse all the big construction, then it can also harmful to the not only to the workers but also to the public, and then also to the environment. Okay, like a high tower collapse because of the poor quality of construction. Okay, poor quality on site investigation. This might be happen, and all the okay until to date at this area is like apa padang jarak pantai kuku. There's no cannot do any construction areas of the area. Okay, the concept of operator not only to your company as as the company that responsible to construct the construct the building or construct the infrastructure, but also can give extra consequence to another to the not only to the customer but also to the public and also to the environment. So you need at the first place to prevent to construct the poor quality of the construction. That's why we learn this course. All right. Okay, then quality of defects. Okay, a defect is a non-conformance of unit of product with spec requirement. It's minor, which is unnoticeable, kerosakan kecil, masih boleh dimaafkan, still kita boleh reda. But major, something that we have to take into our serious consideration, because it can cause stoppage of the operation. Not just that, but also affect the performance. It also affect your give critical consequence. Okay, then we need when there's a major defects, you need to attended to promptly. Harus take a quick solution. Okay, if not, they will continue. They can go to another defects. Okay, so minor. Okay, tapi kalau boleh jangan ada minor lah. But major, you need to take a quick action. Okay, and cause of the defects. Okay, you construct something, then there's a lot of defects to your construction. Then because of what the reason cause of defect? First, lack of know-how. So anything, all the construction should be construct or designed by the qualified person, and then carelessness by a qualified person. That's why we have a professional in there. The references will look after to check is it we have design, okay, the right design, and also should be the improper design. All of this can, if proper design, can avoid this cause of defects. Okay, lack of all insufficient instruction. You don't know the standard. Okay, the standard of the development, the standard of the construction, and inherent error in machine. Make sure that all the machine that to be used in the construction area should be well maintained, because the machine also will can cause the effects. So first you need expert, you need to, unless you have a good knowledge on the construction, and then uh, avoid from being carelessness, and then do the proper design, and also know which the right standard to be referred to, and as a guideline. And the last one, make sure that the machine that used in the construction area should be well maintained. Okay, and that's the thing that uh, can avoid from causes of the defect, can avoid the defects. Okay, then if you want to come up with a quality product or quality service, this is how you have to follow the step by step in this quality management system. First step is you should know the customer requirement, what they need, okay, what their expectation. Okay, then after you collect and you get the feedback from the customer requirement, and you start to plan plan a product or service based on the customer feedback or customer requirement. So quality planning need a quality person, mean a qualified person. If you want to uh, produce a product, you need a mechanical engineer. You want to produce a building, you need to construct the building, you need a civil engineer. So civil engineer, the requested person will will plan the quality planning. After the the product been planned, been designed based on the customer requirement, you go to the quality assurance. And during this time, you get your feedback for in-house, meaning from the expert in your company. Okay. Then after that thing has been built, okay, then you need to do the quality control, do the inspection, do the uh, to do the test to the product. And if the product comply or achieve to the standard, okay, then again, okay, bring that thing, go to make a pilot study, okay, go to the potential customer target groups, and then make them test use the product, and then get the feedback from that potential customer. Then after you get the feedback, you do the improvement to the product, and then go back to your real customer and look, is it satisfied or not? If not, why there why them not certified the product, not not approve the product, not satisfied with the product. Get the feedbacks and back again to the customer requirement until you satisfy your customer, and then we start to produce that product. Okay, in the large scale. Okay, so you have to follow this process of quality management to come up with the quality product or quality service, step by step. Okay, start with the customer requirement, and then the quality planning, quality assurance, quality control, quality management, and last with the customer certification. It's like a circle. Okay, the continuous circle, and the process will end when customer certified with the product then been developed by you. Okay, so anything is according to the customer certification. All right. Oh, we have another another two slide. Okay. And then that is the cost of the quality. Cost of good quality. Okay. Prevention. To prevent from the product become the quality, You must have a good quality planning, good quality design, process also should be good, high quality, and also they have a training person, okay, and then can help you, can assist you to come up with a good quality product, and then also the information of that product. After the product have been built, you need also to put some information of the product so the customer will know what is uh, the best thing to 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 use that product to up the maximum potential. And also you must also have the good control. Okay, you do the inspection, testing, using the right equipment and the right operator, the qualified person that have knowledge on to come up with a good quality product, and also like the right equipment. Okay, so all of this, okay, can prevent from producer for quality, starting with the planning, design, so on, and also like the appraisal. So if you produce the cost of produce a poor quality, the consequence is internal failure. All the product become a scrap. It cannot be used anymore. And then you need to rework, take more time, take more manpower, and also take more cost, okay, to rework your product again. And then the process will be fail. When the process fail, it will give bad impact to your to production of the product, and also downtime, need more time. So you have waste a lot of time that, and then the price reduction, okay, to because you want to avoid from more losses, then you need to reduce. At least you get your losses is not is still under control. That's why you need to reduce your price reduction. And also it also will be the cost because it is a external failure. Okay, the customer will complain to you, and then yeah, will affect your sale because they know repeat customer, sorry, and then they will return your products, okay, and then will increase your inventory. So you don't know, you have don't know where to put the product, return product, and also warranty claims, and yes, they need to come to bukan duit untuk for the claim. It becomes your valuability because of your image, your bad reputation image, and of course, it will cause up with the loss of the sale. Okay, then will affect your profits. And all right, that's why by hook or by crook, you need to avoid from produce the poor quality if you want to sustain. Okay, if you want to sustain in the business. Okay, that's why good quality come up with the first process should be a quality, high quality, should be a good quality process if you want to produce a good quality product. We start from the first process until end of the process, which is prevention and also appraisal. Okay, and the last slide is about the customer satisfaction. Okay, again, your product should meet the customer need or customer and customer satisfaction, because the customer buy your products. Okay, that's why you depend 100% to the customer. Okay, so saya sekarang biasa dengan di motor, customer is always right. Because their satisfaction they need. We should fill up their need and their satisfaction, because they are person that pay for our service or for our product. Okay, so by definition for the customer satisfaction is the degree of the satisfaction provided by goods and service of the company as measured by repeat customer. Okay, sebab itu at the online market, Shopee atau Lazada, people will look again. People will look how many this product has been sold. So many product has been sold, that will increase the reputation of the product, but also will increase your belief to that product. And indirectly, tanpa berfikir banyak, kamu rasa mudah untuk buy that products. That's why attribute is not a precise criteria to classify is it the high currently nowadays attribute last time the attribute is one of the main we have to look for is to, if you want to qualify the quality of the product. But now, okay, from the customer perception, it's not the attribute, the product attribute anymore. And you talk about product, you know about the construction, you talk about product. Now, the criteria is repeat customer. How many that thing has been sold, customer comment, and also the rating that been given by the customer. That's now become the quality criteria for the products. But still, we rely on the customer feedback. Okay. And then customer satisfaction, they look at their quality, efficiency, their service, best value, and on time delivery. If you have, unless one, okay, it's better you have all. High quality, very good efficient process. You submit one of these criteria, then your product can consider as the high quality products. She can meet the customer satisfaction. Okay. Oh, tak sampai ke 10 dah habis. Okay, this was your first class. So that's why tak apalah habis awal. Okay. Then, end of the, thank you. End of the, your first lecture. Okay, you have anything with regards to this lecture? Ada apa nak tanya soalan kelas? Before I go to the conclusion. Ada soalan?
So far, no, Doctor.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, Doctor.
Alright, so I go to the conclusion. Okay. Okay. So for the conclusion, first thing, all of you should know the definition of the quality itself. Okay. Then how we are going to classify the quality of any product, of any service. Okay. We need the criteria. We should know the criteria. We should know the standard. And now we should know the requirement. All of this will define the quality of any product or service. Okay. But the most important is customer certification. We have to put as our priority if we are develop a products. Okay. This is our main priority. And then after also, okay, there's different criteria, quality criteria for the product and compared to for the service. Okay, so for the product, you can look as this 9 criteria, okay, to define the quality of product, and this 7 criteria for the quality service. Okay, then this is a comparison between even the same product, but their classified is different using the different criteria. Okay? For product different, for service also will be different. Okay, even though the same criteria. And there's not one should the poor quality, even construction or even a product need to be avoided. Okay, because of there is a consequence of the poor quality. Okay, not only loss of business liability, but also the cost. At the end, orang kata boleh buatkan the company belum tika. Okay, and this is one of the system that can be implemented to come up with a quality product, which is a quality management system. So step by step, you come up. If you want to come up with a good quality product, you have to follow step by step in this quality management system. This is one of the tools. There's another tools like PDCA, design thinking. So you can, as long you follow these quality tools, then there has high possibility for you to come up with the high quality products. Okay. So last one, there again, anything is goes to the customer satisfaction. Okay. Okay, this one is generally about the quality product and also quality service. So kita tak masuk lagi direct to the quality management okay, for construction management quality. Tapi just untuk the first lecture ni is just knowledge for the general knowledge for the what is quality all about. Okay, so since there's no question, I will end up the class. But if you have anything to ask me, you can stay. Okay, I will wait until 10:15. If not, okay lah, we dismiss the class. So don't forget to register in your group project. Okay, make sure that all of you should be registered. Okay, ini pesan daripada Dr. Siti Rashidah lah. Okay, and so looks makluman yang saya beri tu. So next week your class will be on because next week Nuzul Al-Quran kan, will be on the response class will be on the next day, Friday. So kita jumpa lah 9 hingga 12. Okay, so satu lagi, bear in mind, make sure that you know when the class, when the week class for that conduct by me and conduct by especially Dr. Siti Rashidah, because that class is the face-to-face class. Kalau kau tak note, tak take notice pasal that thing, and then kamu tak sedar, maybe during that weeks adalah kelas Rashidah, jadi kamu takut terlambat aku to the class. Okay, sebenarnya class is okay because ODL kan. Jadi sorry. Okay, thank you. Nice to meet all of you. So hopefully we can I can meet all of you next week. All right. Thank you, class. Thank you very much. Okay. See you again.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
Thank you, sir.
jumpa lagi. Thank you.